Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on sound effects on the application of Duolingo. Here we go to Duolingo as you see and you can click. In this page you can click on this sign and you will enter. Here in this page you will go to above to this sign of settings and you can click. After that, in this list you will go to this window or to the sign of general settings like this and you can click here. If the sign changes to the blue color, then you can know how to turn on sound effects on the application of Duolingo. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.